Professor Blindie. I'm 24 years old, born and raised in Dallas, Texas. I'm an entrepreneur and I own the business Blind Intelligence. I'm here to educate you guys on my blind experience. I feel one volunteer that would like to have kind of a blind experience. I have a blindfold right here. Okay, who's this?
Sure.
Hey, Trini.
No, take it.
So I always say these sticky notes of the day. So my favorite sticky note of the day is my eyesight does not determine my future. And I believe your eyesight does not determine your future, right? So if your eyesight doesn't determine your future and my eyesight doesn't determine my future, what does? Those 2 weeks before my 20th birthday, both of my eyes have went completely blurred. No, I can't just sit in my sadness. I can't just sit with this vision loss. Then I just use my platform to talk about my blind experience. I'm still going down my same path with a little detour, and people about telling my story and giving them encouragement to keep going when they feel like their back is against the wall. That's okay. Wait, put the slate on the desk. We on the desk? Okay. Now, this is the stylus.
A what?
A stylus. So this is A, B, and C in Braille.
Book Professor Blindie to speak to your students. Go to ProfessorBlindie.com and click the Events tab and fill out the form. Or email Professor Blindie directly at info@ProfessorBlindie.com. Thank you, and I hope to meet y'all in the classroom.